Hello students, this is part of the derivative series. Today we are going to see forward pricing. So for forward pricing, the formula for finding out forward rate of a non-dividend paying stock is for F equals S into e power RT. The problem can be referred in the slide, it is given. So it is given the spot price of the share is 70, time is 3 months and R is continuously compound interest rate, which is 8%. So it is direct application in the formula. Continuously compound interest rate, if it is given directly you can use it, otherwise we need to calculate. So, the forward rate would be 70 multiplied by e power R is 8%, that you can write it as 0.08 multiplied by 3 by 12 is the time. Months we have to convert that into year. Okay, so that will be 3 by 12 and you will be getting the answer as 71.41. I hope all of you know how to calculate exponential using the calculator. So the answer is 71.41. So let us see in the next problem. This is the second method in which we are going to find out what is the forward value, what is the forward rate if the dividend is given. In this problem, it is given after 4 months the dividend will be paid at 1.5 rupees per share. So for the first step is we have to find out the present value of dividend and we have to deduct it from the spot rate and calculate the forward rate. So to calculate the present value of dividend, the formula is dividend multiplied by e power minus RT. I into e power minus RT. So in this case it will be 1.5 multiplied by e power. See, we need to use 4 from 4 months it is going to be, when after 4 months it is going to be paid. So it will be minus, and interest rate is given as 10%. So take it as 0.1 multiplied by time is 4 months, 4 by 12. So when you calculate this, you will be getting a value of 1.45. You will be getting a value of 1.45. So the present value of dividend is 1.45. Now we have to calculate the forward rate. For forward rate, what you have to do is spot minus present value of the dividend multiplied by e power RT. So we know the share price is 38, it is given. So this will be 38 minus 1.45 into e power RT. R is 6 months is the time period and R is 10%. So 0.1 into 6 months will be 6 by 12. Okay. You apply in the formula, you will be getting an answer of 38.42. The answer will be 38.42. So the forward rate will be 38.42. And as the problem is given for 100 shares, as the market lot is for 100 shares, finally we need to multiply this 38.42 into 100. So the actual forward value, forward contract value will be 38.42 multiplied by 100, that will be 3842. So that will be your answer. The next problem is with the dividend yield. Okay, you can refer the problem in which it is given the current index rate is 520 and rate of interest is continuously compounded interest rate is 10% and the time is 3 months. They have said that the index is going to yield 4%. Okay, so when the yield is given, we need to use this formula. The formula will be forward rate equals spot multiplied by e power r minus y. R is the continuously compounded interest rate minus yield multiplied by the time. So in this case, everything is given. We just applying the formula. This will be 520 spot value of the index multiplied by e power r is the continuously compounded interest rate, that is 10%. You take it as 0.1 and 0.1 and y is the yield. Yield is 4%, so that will be taken as 0.04 and multiplied by 0.1 minus 0.04 multiplied by the time. In this case, time is given as 3 months, so it will be 3 by 12. So if you calculate using the exponential, you will be getting an answer of 527.85. The answer will be 527.85. Actually, when yield is given, the problem is easy. You just apply in the formula to the e power r minus y into t, and be careful when you are applying the yield percentage. If it is 4%, it has to be mentioned as 0.04, and this continuously compounded interest rate is 10%, so you mention it as 0.1. So we have done 3 problems in the forward pricing. First one is directly without any dividend. Second is when there is a dividend payment. Third is for index with yield. So all these 3 problems were done in this chapter. Thank you.